Hey guys, and welcome back to Smart Money Minds. This is a super quick video about Lucid, about EV industry, and also just a couple of stocks that I'm watching for this week. Now, first thing we're gonna go is Lucid. Lucid, why did it run 30, almost 40% today? And that's because of two things. Number one is Joe Biden, the president, has pushed a new bill here for anything that's clean energy. So electric vehicles are actually getting pushed to new highs. And that shows also because Lucid had the CEO come out today and they got approval to start making vehicles in Saudi Arabia. So apparently, Saudi Arabia is going to be the second largest market for Lucid in terms of pre-orders and stuff like that for their Lucid Air Pure model, which starts at $70,000, and they're looking to make $170,000 a car as well. That's their most expensive model, and so they're tiering up for higher end countries and more expensive consumers. So the technicals of Lucid, we're going to take a quick look, and a couple of EV stocks that I would be interested in as well. So we got here today, we pushed up over to $40, but check out this zone right here. This zone around the 36 or the $33 to $36 range was the resistance zones, as you see here. That is where technical analysis wins, because it pushed up, and check out where it closed. It closed right around the $36 mark, and that's exactly it. So we have an extension, something that went way too far, and now it has to come back down. Check out the bear volume, and now we're hanging out in this range. But what I do like is that there's pretty much a lack of resistance in this zone here. So anything that is right around this range here, you see this area, there's not much to go off of in this big gap here. So the next resistance is actually $50. Now we look at Tesla, that's also at all-time highs, and today it got a nice push today due to the Lucid news. NIO, also another producer, that's got another nice move. NIO was actually fading yesterday and the day before because it hit this resistance zone as I was watching it on my Instagram, and it actually got a push back up because of the news. Because the EV industry is growing, we need to look at the supporting industries like Plug here. Plug is a charging company, so that's why it also got another big boost. And check out this uptrend all the way up here, and it's holding the daily 8 ENA the entire way. So keep eyes on this. As it went up, it came down, it hit the 0.786 of this move here, and it's starting to curl and start making a weekly uptrend. Now the uptrend is intact, and perhaps we're looking back up to prices around possibly up here around $50 as well. Last but not least, I'm looking at two other stocks that I am interested in. I am in Snap personally, because what I like is this fade here, and now it's holding the $51, $52 range, and it's holding this entire way here. It had this major gap down, but we're getting into this zone here. Check out the weekly uptrend. From here all the way through, we are hitting the weekly lower trend line, and that's why I'm interested in this play, and I'm up about 3% on this move as I got in actually at $52 today. Another stock I'm very interested in is Upstart. Upstart, why? Check this out here. We have a daily uptrend continuing, and check out this lower trend line. We're going to play with the trend. It came down, it gave us the doji candle, and now it's pushed up. And perhaps we're going to continue the uptrend and push over $400. So those are the things I'm watching. And if you enjoy this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys next time for more stock trading video here.